Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten your password in the BNZ app, here's how to reset it. First, go to the BNZ Internet Banking login page, then click on Get Started, and then click on Forgot Your Password option. After that, enter your access number or username and follow the on screen instructions. Then enter your email address and click send code. You may need to verify your identity using a one time code sent to your registered mobile number. Once verified, create a new strong password and make sure it is unique and secure. Confirm the new password and log in again using the updated credentials. If you're unable to reset it online, contact BNZ customer support for assistance. That's how to reset your BNZ internet banking and password. Subscribe for more quick fixes.